Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make cucumber salad. So if you want to see how I made this, keep watching. So the ingredient I'll be using to make this is just basically cucumber, egg, onion, tomato, dry pepper, bama, honey, and lemon. You can actually use vinegar in place of lemon. So what I did is to wash the cucumber, cut off the edge, then cut them into smaller chunks as you can see me doing. You cut them into smaller chunks, then pour it in a bowl. You also get your onion, cut it into smaller chunks, and then pour it in the bowl. So also the tomato. For the tomato, I'm going to remove the inside, that's the seeds of the tomato. Cut it into smaller chunks also, and then also add it into the bowl. The next is the egg. I'm using two hard-boiled eggs. So I also cut them and add them into the bowl. Then the next, you can see the way our salad is. So the next is to mix the lemon, that's the dressing for the salad. So I'm adding 1 spoon of lemon juice, 1 spoon of honey, just a little bit of ground pepper, and then bama. Just be generous with your bama. So I went ahead to give it a good stir. And after that, I went ahead to pour it over the bowl where I have the other ingredients. That's the cucumber, tomato, onion, and the rest of it. So I give it a good stir. I make sure you turn it properly till everything mix very, very well. You can see how our cucumber salad is looking. So the next is to dish it out in a salad bowl, and then you can go ahead and enjoy. You can see how it's looking very delicious. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Thank you.